Welcome back, students. So in previous session we have completed exercise 11.3 till 8 question. Now we see the ninth question. The question is, Shruti took a wire of length at 44 cm and bent it into the shape of a circle. Find the radius of the circle, also find its area. If the same wire is bent into the shape of squares, what will be the length of the each side, and for that also we have to find the area, and then which figure close more area, that we have to find. So students, so suppose you have this 44 cm long wire and you turn it into the shape of square. So what happened? This length of wire becomes the circumference of the circle. Again I am repeating, this length of the wire becomes the circumference of the circle. So what we can say? Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So we have 44 as circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Here we have to take pi is equal to 22 by 7. So therefore r is equal to what? 44 divided by 2. Pi is 22 divided by 7. This 7 will go up. So it is 44 into 7. 22 to the 44. This will get cancelled. So what is the answer? 7 centimeters. So what is the radius? Radius is equal to 7 centimeters. So with the help of radius, we can now find the area. Area is equal to what? Pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7. R square is 7 into 7. 1 7 will get cancelled. So what is the answer? 154 centimeter square. So this is the area of square and this is the radius of square. This is the first part of the question. Now second part is what? Same wire now we bend in the shape of a square. Bend in the shape of square. So this is a 44 centimeter long wire and you are making square. So what happened? Length of the wire becomes the perimeter of the square. Again I am repeating, whatever length of the wire, it is converted in the perimeter of the square. Okay, so what we can say now? The perimeter is equal to 4L. 4 sides, and in the square all the sides are equal. So 4 into L. L is the measurement of each side. So this is perimeter is 44. 4L. We want to find the length of each side of the square. So L is equal to 44 divided by 4, which is equal to 11 centimeter. 11 4 is 44. Okay. So now what is the area for this? Area is L into L, which is equal to 11 into 11, which is equal to 121 centimeter square. So if you compare the area of circle, that is 154, and area of square, that is 121 centimeter square. So which figure enclose more area? Of course, circle enclose more area compared to this square. So this way we can solve question number 9. Move on to the next question, question number 10. See the 10th question. The question is, from a circular card sheet of radius 14 cm, two circles of radius 3.5 cm and a rectangle of length 3 cm and length breadth 1 cm are removed as shown in the figure. Find the area of the remaining sheet. So what we have to do? The total circle. If you are considering total circle whose radius is 14 cm. Okay. After, what you have to do? You are cutting circles, two small circles from this cardboard and one rectangle from cardboard. Now, what is the radius of this? 3.5 centimeter. Radius of this small circle is 3.5 centimeter. Here length is 3 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. This is the measurement of this shapes. Now what is the question? After removing these two circles and one rectangle, whatever cardboard left, you have to find the area of that. So how will you find it? First of all, we find the area of the whole circle without any cutting. Then we find the area of these two circles and this one rectangle. Then what we will do? Total area minus area of these two circles and area of rectangle. So we will get the area of remaining portion of the cardboard. Okay. So let's see how to solve. So first of all, we find the area of total. So area of circle is equal to pi r square, where r is equal to 14 centimeter. Pi is 22 divided by 7 into 14 into 14. 7 to the 14. So the answer is 616 centimeter square. Now we will find the area of this small square. So area of, we have two circles of same measurement, so we can directly write area of both the circles. So we have to multiply that 2. For one circle it is pi r square, for two circle it is 2 into pi r square, where your radius is equal to what? 3.5 centimeter radius. So 2 into 22 by 7, 3.5 directly you can write 35 by 10 into 35 by 10. So what we can do? 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 10. This 2 will get cancelled. Again here it is 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35. This 2 11s are 22. So what is the answer? Area of both the circles? 11 into 7, that is 77 centimeter square. Now we will find area of rectangle. So area of rectangle is equal to L into B. Length is given 3 centimeter and breadth is given 1 centimeter. So what is the answer? 4 centimeter square. So now we will find the total area of cutouts, that is 2 circles and 1 rectangle, which is equal to 77 plus 4, which is equal to 81 centimeter square. So if we want to find the area without these 2 circles and 1 rectangle, what we have to do? We have to remove the area of these 2 circles and rectangle, that is 81 centimeter square, from the total area. So what we can say now? Area of remaining circle is equal to remaining circle is equal to total, that is 616 minus 81. Do the subtraction. 6 minus 1 is 5. 10 minus 8 is 2 plus 1 3. 535 centimeter square. This is the area of remaining circular cardboard. So this way we can solve question number 10. Move on to the next question.